Imperfection is not our personal problem. It is a natural part of existing. Tara Brach, Radical Acceptance. Perfectionism is widespread in a society that prioritizes money and power. While it may present a goal that appears admirable to aspire to, it more often acts as a barrier to life satisfaction, which is a true measure of a life worth living. This is because the concept of perfection is unattainable by its very nature. Imperfection is inherent to our uniqueness and unity, and it should not be seen as a flaw, but rather as a defining and bonding characteristic. And we are not alone as a singularity. However, as a singularity, we connect to other extraordinary people like an undiscovered social molecule, and therefore belonging to all. One kind word returns home to a beautiful and welcoming society of unity